Hey everyone, so I've pulled a card for you all out there today asking, what do you need to let go of to bring more money into your life today? And the Three of Wands came through, and the message here is to show who you really are, to express yourself creatively as well. And it's really about expressing who you truly are, not keeping that suppressed behind a facade, right? It's about really showing what you feel and think and what you see, and that helps you to open up to the energy flow and helping things flow much better. And so in this case, it must be that if you step into who you truly are authentically and express yourself more and express that creative side, it will help you open up to more flow of money. And so it's sort of like, because the question is, what do you need to let go of to attract more money into your life today? And it's letting go of that part of you that is hiding, that is not expressing who you truly are in this life, and who has thought that they need to do certain things and be a certain way to fit in. And, that's a survival thing as well when you're a child. Like, we have to survive when we're children, so sometimes we do things to try and fit in with our, families, socially, with our peers, all of that kind of thing. But now's not the time to do that. Now is the time to let that part go and find ways that you can start to step into your authentic self and express yourself more. And that'll help you open up the energy, because money is just energy. That's all it is. And it wants to come into your life, and it will once you step into who you truly are meant to be in this life. All right, let me know if this has resonated. Let me know what you're letting go of in this part. Like, what are you letting go of? What are you leaving behind now to step into your most authentic self? And who is your authentic self? Let me know in the comments. If you've liked the reading, make sure you hit the like button, the thumbs up, so that I know that you like the reading and I can bring you more. Subscribe and make sure you hit the bell, because then you're notified each time I go live or create a video, and you can see it and reap the benefits from it. Alrighty, I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.